Hello friends, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today's recipe is a rich and creamy restaurant-style Paneer Butter Masala. So let's get started and check out the recipe. First, we need to prepare a onion tomato makhani gravy. For that we need 1 onion, 5 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons cashew nuts and some whole spices. Heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add the onion and saute for 2 minutes until they turn transparent. Now add the chopped tomatoes, cashew nuts, whole spices and green chilies and saute for a few more minutes. Add 1 cup of water and mix well. Cover and cook in medium flame for 10 minutes. Allow it to cool and then transfer into a blender and grind it into a smooth paste. Take another pan and add 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Now add 2 sliced green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. Add the onion tomato paste salt, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Fry well in low flame for 5 minutes. Now add 200 grams of fresh paneer and add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Cover and continue to cook in low flame for 5 to 8 minutes until the oil starts to separate. Finally add some fresh coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix well. When the gravy starts to simmer, switch off the flame and transfer into a bowl. Our rich and creamy restaurant-style Paneer Butter Masala is ready to be enjoyed with hot fulkas or pulao. Do try this amazing recipe and let us know your feedback. We will be back with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.